A good time of the day to you. I hope this video finds you chilling in a nice piece of furniture. Regardless, it's time to relax and enjoy your daily Russian math problem. Today's problem is for the 11th grade and comes from the final round of the ITMO Open Olympiad, school year 2015-2016. Here's the problem in its original formulation. The translation will follow shortly, but first, let's get you the daily dosage of Russian you didn't know you needed. Решите уравнение или докажите, что оно не имеет решений. 3 умноженное на синус х плюс 4 умноженное на косинус х равно минус 5 минус единица, деленный на модуль x. And now, the English version. Solve the equation or prove that there are no solutions. 3 times the sine of x plus 4 times the cosine of x equals to minus 5 minus 1 over the absolute value of x. I'll now give you a couple of seconds to pause the video in case you want to first try to solve the problem yourself. We will focus on the left-hand side of the equation. The idea is to use the formula for the sine of a sum of two angles. As a first step, let's rewrite the expression as 5 times 3/5 times sine of x plus 4/5 times cosine of x. We need that in order to have the coefficients in front of sine of x and cosine of x to be less than 1. We seek the following representation. 3/5 times sine of x plus 4/5 times cosine of x is equals to sine of some phi times cosine of x plus cosine of the same phi times sine of x. This gives us the following two equations. Cosine of phi must be equal to 3/5, and the sine of phi must be equal to 4/5. Dividing the latter by the former, we get that the tangent of phi is equal to 4/3. So phi is equal to the arctangent of 4/3. This gives us the following representation of the left-hand side. 5 times sine of x times the cosine of the arctangent of 4/3 plus cosine of x times the sine of the arctangent of 4/3. Let's clean up. Having obtained the new form of the left-hand side, we can make use of the formula for the sine of the sum of two angles, as intended. We obtain 5 times the sine of x plus the arctangent of 4/3. This will be our final form for the left-hand side. Let us return to the original equation, which now looks like this. 5 times the sine of x plus arctangent of 4/3 equals to minus 5 minus 1 over the absolute value of x. Since the sine function has the bounds minus 1, 1, the left-hand side is bounded by the interval minus 5 to 5. On the other hand, the right-hand side, minus 5 minus 1 over the absolute value of x, is less than 5 for all x. It follows that the equation has no solutions. That concludes today's episode of your daily Russian math. I hope you enjoyed it. To ли еще будет?